Classical Spelling Book 1 teaches your child to spell by improving necessary skills. This will take them through spelling using a multisensory, phonics-based oral spelling method with many different strategies, including read, remember, and recite, words in context, word study, and extra practice. The suggested approach to this pattern is a 5-day program. Memorize Monday, hands-on touch Tuesday, write high Wednesday, Thursday quiz day, and the 5th day is an optional day to practice extra. The weekly spelling has a set of keywords, which are words that follow rules. And there are also words to know, and those are words that are important exceptions that they will need to learn in order to read and spell correctly. I like the word study a lot, where they have the opportunity to analyze the words and dig a little deeper into what they are learning about. The last few weeks of Book 1 will include a mixed test, as well as a few weeks where you can review difficult words that your child has struggled with. Simply Classical Spelling Book 2 is similar to Book 1, only it's a little more challenging, and they add some more things to create fantastic spellers out of your children. Some of these things that are different are you're going to create flashcards for the words to know each week, and there's some games that you can play as well. You're also going to introduce composition skills into your spelling program if you are not doing a writing program with them already. The 5-day teaching method is very similar to Book 1, where you have Memorize Monday, Tracing Tuesday, Write High Wednesday, and Thursday is going to be your quiz day. But Friday is where it changes up a bit, where your child will have a dictation assignment with sounds, words, and a sentence. Book 2 is also going to introduce assessments periodically throughout the lessons, where you're going to work on testing and reviewing and testing some more so your child is really getting the full benefits of this spelling program. Each lesson is still going to include the opportunity for them to write the keywords, do the word study, learn some words to know, as well as looking at the words in context and room for extra practice. I spent a significant amount of time researching spelling programs and really struggled to find one that was meeting my goals and our needs. I like this program because it is simple, it's quick enough that my daughter is willing to do it without a fight, and she enjoys it, and she's really working on her spelling skills. She hated writing unless she could ask me how to spell every single word, and we've been going through this for a couple years, so I knew it was time for us to find a spelling program for her, and I am really happy that we found Simply Classical Spelling because it is working great for her, and she is more willing to sit down and do a writing assignment or just write for fun because she's not so worried that she's misspelling the words.